Hello guys, welcome to Trading Science. In this video, we will be talking about some more stocks for this week, which is about to break, or some stocks are already gave the entries. So this analysis is purely on price action. So it will help you to learn and earn some money with that. So before going to that, you can also check out some another stocks which is from last week. You can check out this video, and for the stocks and investments, so you can check out our channel YouTube videos. Let's get into the stocks for this month, sorry, for this week. I have shortlisted five stocks for this week. Before going to the stocks, we will see how the previous stocks analysis gone, what are the targets it reached, what are their entries and all. So first one is Nestle India. We'll complete it as soon as possible, fast as possible. So you can see it gave the entry on the selling side. The stop loss around is 20,222. The target is for 1 is to 3, and it is still in the trade. Next one is Adani Transmission. So these stocks is already explained in previous video. For the analysis, you can check out that video. So actually, this is a breakdown. This is for selling, gave for selling, and previous swing is a stop loss, and target is for this level. So it's yet to reach the target, and it is still in the trade. It's almost gave the 80% of 80 to 90% profit already. So you can check out this full analysis in the previous video. Next one is Indus Tower. So Indus Tower, you can see it's a price action breakout in the top side. So it was here it was the entry, and stop loss was this level initially, and target is around these levels. So now we have to trail the stop loss to these levels, because there is a reason we're trailing the stop loss, because it's already broke the level, and as per the price action it is it is a proper breakout, so we tried it as a previous swing. So next one is Siemens. I have given it for selling side. So you can see after the breakdown here, it is going towards our target. Stop loss was actually, you can put a stop loss around this level, and target is around this level, almost 8 1 is to 3. And now, since it is price action to now negative side, you can trail the stop loss to this level for the safer side. So it is still in the trade, and it is going to be reach target. And these are the four stocks which is reached our target. And there are two stocks which is reached our stop loss. I will tell you those also. Okay. So actually, this is a trade for DR Redis, and this was a breakout, actual breakout, and it had reached our stop loss. After breaking also, it has reached our stop loss, so we have exited this with a small loss. Next one is Nogari. So you can see this was the entry, and in the retracement we took the entry here. So it had reached our stop loss. This was the stop loss we kept, and this is reached our stop loss, so we exited with uh, loss, because our target was 1 is to 3. You can see the mark. I have already marked it. This was the target for this, and it didn't reach. So after breaking these levels, I trailed stop loss to this level and exited with minimum losses. So these are the previous stock analysis. So now we will see the current week analysis stocks. First one is SBI in SBI. So you can see in the 1 day time frame also, I had given it for buying side, because it had broke the resistance level, and after breaking it is on the retracement side. So here, as per the price action, it is an upside move. Okay, so in the higher time frame it is an upside move. So when you go to 1 hour time frame, you can see here there is a small pattern going on here. You can see here. Okay, so let's wait for the breakout here. It can be upside. If it is upside, it will be more potential. If it is downside also, we can take up the trade, but try to take the less quantity because in the higher time frame it is in bullish. So this is 15-minute time frame. So if it is closing any candle, 15-minute candle, either upside or downside, so it will be a good entry, and risk reward should be 1:3. Okay, next one is Havels. Havels India. Let's get into 1 hour time frame. So this one I have given the stock yesterday, last week also, but at the it was trading at around these levels, but now it is broke down here and then took a support at these levels. So if there is a high chances of reversal from here and then breakout. So risky traders can take entry around this level with a stop loss of below this level, or you can wait for the breakout in the upside levels. So if it is breaking downside, so you, by any chance, you can plan for selling side. Okay, this will be very selling good entry for selling side, and you can take the trade. Next one is DLF. So DLF, you can see here there was an channel pattern to upside, and it broke the downside support line and retraced to the same levels and started coming down. So if it is opening to flat or any negative sign, let's say if it is opening below these levels, anywhere below these levels, then it will be a good entry for you to take up the trade. So if it is opening slight negative or flat, it will be very good indication for selling side. Okay, target you have stop loss for this. You have to keep at least these levels, because around this level there is a resistance. You just wait for these levels, and target you can keep 1:3 minimum, because there is a lot of space here. Most probably it can reach 1:3 easily. Next one is Tata Consumers. Tata Consumers, it had given the breakout, a nice breakout. I have updated in the community post also. While in the at this point of time, whenever it broke the levels, I updated in posts, community post. So now, after the breakout, it it is tried to sustain, but is not sustained and came back here, took the support somewhere around these same levels, previous levels, and started going up. So if it is opening flat and all, it will be a it will start continue to upside. Okay, again I would say this is a good level to buy, the stop loss of this level. Okay, because you can see I put a alert also. So this levels is a very support levels for these Tata Consumers. Let me mention the levels again. You can see this is a swing here. Okay, you have to put a swing low as a stop loss. Okay, and target, as we discussed in the last video, it's only target has to be next resistance line, wherever you see here. In the 1 day time frame, I had drawn a resistance line over here. There is a high probability of reaching to this trend line, because it is in inside the channel. There is a high probability of reaching to this trend line. Okay, next one is HDFC, AMC, or HDFC Life. Both are in selling side. You can see this is in a small channel pattern, sorry, a symmetric pattern, and so it is consolidated here and broke down. So if it is opening negative, a flat negative, it will be a target to next support line. Okay, just like Havels, how it is moved to from downside upside to downside. Okay, in the same way, there is a HDFC Life for selling. Okay, let me go to 1 day time, sorry, 1 hour time frame. So you can see, so once it had broke and it opened a gap up, and from there it rejected this level. When you go to 1 day time frame, so you can see here, after coming out to channel, and it gave the retest to save levels and started coming down. So this is a very good indication for the entry, retesting the same levels and rejecting from that level. Okay, so you can see here, I have already marked the levels. When you take, if you take entry here, the stop loss has to be these level above these levels, because this is a retesting level. So if it is breaking, that means price action is for positive side. Since it is not break, still we have to be on selling side. So any chance if it is opening flat or somewhere around these levels, it will be very good entry for a selling side. You can take up to these levels entry and then put a stop loss above this level, and 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3 target has to be maintained. So this is a resistance, sorry, support level. I have kept a stop loss, sorry, target as this level. You can take the target to this level. You can see it is 1 is to 3 ratio almost. Okay, this is about this week's stocks. I have given the five stocks, almost one extra, six stocks for the next week. So it will be easy to track for us if we have very less stocks. And I'm not giving more stocks last videos or previous videos, because it is hard to take entries in all the stocks and track the stocks. So I thought we have to optimize stock picking. So that's why I picked only five stocks, and we'll see in the further video if it is more potential, then only we pick the stocks. Otherwise, we will leave it. Okay. Thank you for watching.